Hi, Mark. It's 8:35 Eastern, Tuesday, 10th of June. That's 12:35 GMT. US session now underway, and we're in the afternoon portion of the European session. US dollar, starting on the US dollar index, you can see that almost a red candlestick, kind of a doji right now, but did try earlier during the Asian European session. US dollar index certainly did strengthen resistance 98.91, but it's left that wick behind. So uh, giving up those gains going into the US session. Let's just look at the hourly. There you can see it did try higher the US earlier, now giving up those gains and coming all the way down and at this almost at that 98.37 support level. Looks like buyers want to step in. So we'll see if US dollar can fight back now that the US session is underway. Let's have a look at the majors. I'll start with the Euro US. There you can see on the daily, have a look at this was a red candlestick. There's the wickets left behind. That would be selling euro, buying US. So US started strong against the euro. Euro has fought back, left this wick behind, and now looking up and testing to test the 114.39 resistance area. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see US dollar strength to start during Asian session going into the European session, but now euro is fighting back. We're seeing dollar weakness going into the US Open. Euro buyers, dollar sellers will be looking to test this 114.39 resistance. Sellers of euro, buyers of US, if the US is going to look to make a comeback, it'll be off this area and looking to come back down to the support area. Let's have a look at the pound. Also, a little bit different. You can see it was all the way down to support at 134.54, down being meaning selling pound, buying US dollar strength, red candlestick. However, pound has fought its way back, left this wick, and now sitting at $1.35. Let's look at the hourly. There you can see US dollar strength, pound weakness. There's the pound bouncing back off the support at 134.54, sitting right now at that 135. Buyers of pound, US dollar weakness will be looking up at the 135.64 resistance area. US dollar yen. Again, US dollar strength to start. There you can see there's the wick all the way up to 145.31. There's resistance. Has given up those gains to the US, meaning yen fighting back, sitting right now at the 144.59 and support at 144.39. If I zoom in on the hourly, there's the US dollar strength, 145.31 resistance, selling US, buying yen, yen strength, looking down here at the 144.39 support is what yen buyers will be looking for. US dollar buyers, if US dollar can get back on track and we see US dollar strength bouncing up off this support area here at the 144.58, looking back up at 145.31, the resistance. US dollar Canadian. On the daily, US dollar did try higher. There you can see up to 137.29. US dollar has given up those gains and continuing to give up those gains right now. Selling US, buying Canadian, Canadian strengthening, sitting below the 137 number, sitting at 136.86. Support being tested right now. If I zoom in on that hourly, there you can see the support, testing support right now. Selling US, buying Canadian will look to break below this level, the support level. if there's going to be a turnaround, US buyers, US dollar to make a fight back, comeback. It's off this 136.84 support we're seeing now, and US dollar buyers will be looking firstly to regain 137 all the way up to the 137.30 resistance area. So let's see if the US dollar started off strong, given up those gains through the European session, US session starting. We'll see if US dollar can fight back or if we're going to see continued US dollar weakness. Good trading. I'll see you at the end of today's session.